Aloha to all of you. This is the Traveling Bee. Grab your wings. Let's go for a flight. And we are back. Okay, now my aunt keeps telling me if I'm buying the wrong parsley. I'm not. That's so untrue. I'm busted. I'm back in the store again, but I couldn't help. I can't resist. I saw this freeze-dried next-gen candy called Busta Clusters and Crunchy Rolls. I don't know what these are. First time I'm seeing them. Thought it was kind of interesting. And all I'm looking for is a cherry sucker. But I'm the sucker because I haven't been able to find one. And this is where I bought my purse. I have this in pink, as you can see right here. And I like it. $25. This is my second one in about 10 years. They're leather. They're beautiful. And I get a lot of compliments on it. I like the purple one. I'd like to have one in each color. But quite frankly, one is enough. Look at the one with the honu on it. Okay, I'm getting some seedless plum and some sweet tamarind again. Preo. Oh, I like the one with the honu on it. All right. You need a charcuterie board? How about one in a pineapple shape? How about serving one on a surfboard? All right. Don't forget to paddle in for the cheese and grapes. And we're at ABC's at SUEOKA'S. All right. So the seedless plum is just a few ingredients: plum, sugar, salt, and licorice. They're quite tasty. So this is one of the plum seeds. These are Chinese treats. Chinese treats, they're good. So we have the seedless plum here. Now, if you get the ones with seeds in them, what you like to do is you continue to keep the seed in your mouth and just kind of use it like a hard piece of candy. It still has flavor to it. When you're done, you take it out and throw it away like a peach pit. All right. Shakas. How's that air conditioning today, Coco? What she's got to say about the air conditioning? Huh? Air blowing in the air. Oh, a nice barrel. Yeah, nice barrel. All right. Oh, we have some sets coming in. Let's Let's see if we have any riders. Ooh! Right there, right there. That is rugged to swim back out and surf like this. You gotta be a strong swimmer to do that. They just keep rolling like a boiling pot. Here we go. Oh, nice. Glassy. Here we go, here we go. Come on, yeah! That's an adrenaline ride. Just fast and fun. Those are the kind I start laughing on, and then I lose my concentration. Here we go, here we go. Oh, we got a sushi roll. He makes it out and over the falls. All right. Oh, we got another one. He's in that barrel. Let's see if he's coming out. Oh, closed in by the barrel. And it's almost time for the, well, I guess it would be the 4th, 5th, 6th annual. Woo! Yeah, that was a killer. Boogie, Kaua'i classic boogie board competition for all you spongers out there like myself. Oh man, K's. Oh yeah, all right. The action is just going off. This one's just riding it in, maybe coming in. That's how they get in. And then they're gonna walk over the rocks. Yeah, that's rough. All right, let's wait for the sets to build. We got a swell we got some sets coming up. But yeah? You having fun? You like going to the beach? Yeah. I know you like taking your walks here. So that's one of the categories in the boogie board competition, is the one knee down. Woo! Now that's fun as long as you're not eating sand or banging your head on a rock or coral reef. Sand does not taste good. Oh yeah, 360 and carving and trying to go back into the barrel. Okay. Here comes our next set. All right. Oh, this looks, oh! And just could not complete the sushi roll, but he dives right back into the wave, wastes no time getting right back out there. And we have another one. Oh, he's going, oh, he's got that sushi roll. Yeah, when the waves close out like that, you're still gonna have fun. It's all about the fun. I start laughing, I can't hold on to the board. All right, let's see what sets are coming up next. Rock the boat, huh? Boy, I tell you, if I was out there on that boat, I'd be doing more than rocking. I think my head would be spinning, and I'd be over the side, looking straight into the water. All right, because there's probably a small craft advisory. Those are the dive boats, though. Yeah. Oof. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey, keep those waves a rolling. All right. Well, almost completed a 360 there, but just not quite enough energy power in that wave. We'd be out here watching some surf. Another spectacular day with the most perfect weather on the planet. And we'd be wearing Fat Jimmies of Hawaii. Don't just be fat, be comfortable while you're at the beach. Be at the beach. Wearing Fat Jimmies of Hawaii. Oh! See the wave close out, but he has a sushi roll done, and who do we have here? Who do we have here? It is it an albatross? It's an Eva bird. Is it an Eva bird? I hope I got that. That was like the blind whale shot. You lean over during the whale watching tours over the boat. When you see the whale, you take a shot and you hope you got a good one. Okay, we got another rider. All right. I'll bet it's going off down at Shipwrecks. Mahalo nui loa to all of you for joining me, the Traveling Bee, for another beautiful day in the Hawaiian Islands. As we say in Hawaiian, a hui ho. Until we meet again, aloha. We'd be wearing fat jimmies of Hawaii. Don't just be fat, be comfortable. Traveling bee trips are filmed entirely on location in the Hawaiian Islands.